What's up my friend, this is Anders Larsson, and in this video I want to share with you how you can start your business without getting money milked. I want to share the reality of what you will face as a beginner on your journey to success, and if you watch this video and you don't know this already or have not realized it yet, it's gonna be a huge wake-up call. What you need to know is that online marketers get really good at knowing their audience and really taking advantage of their lack of knowledge and make money out of people. So I was listening to this online marketer that recommended me to invest in only the best resources, the best tools, the best system, and suggested that this is how I will become the 6 or 7 figure earner in my online business. I understand that a lot of you agree on that mindset. It really does make sense that if you want to make real money, then you have to be ready to invest in the best tools and resources. Alright, you get hooked to that reasoning and you will be then offered an easy way to get started with all the training and courses needed for getting your business set up for success. So you start to think, this is awesome, I'm ready to invest in your opportunity. So we know that the people that don't become successful don't want to invest in their education, they don't want to invest in developing their skill set, and this is something that really makes sense and something I bring up often in my video training. So of course, in order to even start to make money, you have to develop your skills and really do what you are being taught. This can take a very long time, and until you get the real success, you might have been working for many years. There are many different areas of digital marketing that is going to be presented to you by online gurus, like creating a lead generation system, and the online guru will talk about $1 million business and how big affiliate marketing really can be. So of course you get hooked on that, so you really want to know how to make affiliate marketing and you really want to know how to have success inside of your business. So you join their opportunity and go through all the training, and you feel that you're given a lot in return for your investment, like ready-made follow-up newsletter and landing pages that are given to you. You get led to believe that you got it for cheap because the online guru know how you think and know all the tricks. Alright, you're getting told that you need the best tools and that you need to own your sales process. That is, have your own sales system with back-end products, and of course this is also given to you, which makes you feel that you made a really good investment. So then you try it out, you have spent weeks or months watching the training and you are ready to make big money, and you wait and you try, and maybe you did something wrong because nothing is really happening. The results are mediocre. What the heck? I need to get to the bottom of this. So you ask your guru about it, and he may or may not answer, but the thing goes like, it is always your fault, and you are the one to blame for not following through, not reading or understanding properly. They will tell you how so many have success, but you decided to try it in your way, and you have yourself to blame for it. Know that you're handed a lot of videos and training materials, so of course many things can go wrong, and the online guru made sure that you are the one to blame, so you go back and try again and again. Yes, you will learn eventually how it really works, and you will find the direction that will bring you the money. After a while, you have installed the sales system properly and you capture your lead the right way. You learn how to share your message so that people really buy from you. But that will take you a long time until you get there. So what is the catch? What is the psychology of the whole thing? What is the thing that makes the online guru rich and not you? Alright, listen closely now. The trick is that you invest in the best services. And if you want the best, then of course you have to pay for it. The best services will cost you a big subscription fee, and this will add up month after month. If you are frustrated because of your economical limitation, then I promise you that you will get frustration on another level. I was listening to Gary Vee, a multimillionaire, about his mindset, how you really become rich, and he told me something I never forget. He has the success he has because he loves to help people, and he doesn't mind helping someone for free. This is how you keep yourself happy and don't burn yourself when you are a good way to the top of the mountain. Many online gurus hate their business, and they hate it because they know that they take advantage of people that have big student loans and can't afford to pay their bills. Now you might be asking, is investing in the best tools and resources a bad idea? It really isn't a bad idea, and it can be very smart and profitable, but you have to know when it is time to invest. You don't invest in them as a beginner. As a beginner, you need to be very careful. I would recommend that you do everything level by level. Find a system that has everything for you. Become really good at making videos and draw in people to that system. At the first level, you don't need to own your own sales funnel, and you use the sales funnel provided by the system. The system I'm using has all that and have only a small $30 subscription fee. You get all the necessary training in the system, and when you know you're getting those sales and you have an audience that loves you, then it would make sense to aim for the rest of the products, which are high ticket and mid ticket, etc. and so on. So if you join my free video training, I will teach you the mindset and how affiliate marketing really works. If you decide to align with me, you will really invest in an opportunity to learn and really make an investment in you. The question is, are you ready to get yourself out there to turn a profit and use the system I'm using that will make you money on the back end? If you are, then sign up to my newsletter and start the training. So this is what I wanted to share with you, and if you learned something from this video, then subscribe to my channel and click like. Also, hit the bell button to get notified of new videos that I'm releasing. I wish you have an awesome day or night wherever you are, and take care, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.